Namaskar friends. Sun, the life giver, is shifting to the Capricorn. As per Hindu Vedic system of astrology, it remains in Capricorn from mid of January to approximately mid of February. And with this transition, the auspicious Uttarayana period of 6 months starts, and it is considered a big festival. Big festival. This transition is considered big festival around the globe among Hindus, and especially in India. It is celebrated like anything. It is a big festival of fervor, energy, and enthusiasm. So now I am going to discuss the impact of this transition of Sun in the Capricorn on the all ascendants. Why ascendants? Because when you see the prediction of transits of any planet in the English magazines or European or American, they predict on the basis of solar zodiac sign. So what is solar zodiac sign? It is the period of Sun in which it remains in particular one zodiac, which is normally 1 month. So it is very general prediction. How you can classify and predict for all the population which has been taken birth in 1 month. Again, in the Indian system, normally astrologers predict on the basis of moon sign. Moon remains in one zodiac sign for 2.25 days, which is also not a very brief and specific time. What I am going to give you the prediction on the basis of ascendant, which is the period of only 2 hours. So the person who had taken birth, in this period of 2 hours can see and correlate my prediction. So it is more accurate, more precise compared to what you see in other channels. If you don't know your ascendant, just subscribe our channel and go to the comment box, write your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. Our team will inform you your ascendant within 1 or 2 days. Okay? So just know your ascendant and get your precise predictions. But one thing I want to add, even though this cannot be individualized. So if you want individual predictions, what you should do, that you should contact your local astrologer who must be qualified enough, who must have some degree in astrology, or you may contact us through our website astrodeum.com. We will give you a specific individualized prediction. So now I am going to start the impact of movement of Sun in the Capricorn for all the zodiac signs. So let me start with the ascendant Aries, the first zodiac sign. Dear Aries people, your fifth lord is going into your 10th house. 10th house is the house of progress, house of growth. So due to just your wisdom and intelligence, you are going to get a big promotion in your career. Or if you want to expand your business, you want to start some startup or some new branches, you start to give some franchisee. So just due to your planning and intelligence and wisdom, you will be able to expand your business without any investment. Remember, without any investment. So it is the period of getting recognition, fame, and growth in your life. Okay? So let us see what is in the store for your spouse. Her lord of gains is going into the house of home, family. So if she or he has some property which was not rented, and she or he was waiting to rent it out, this is the best period, and you will see that a stream of income from his or her house property will start like anything in this period. So far as your children are concerned, if they are attempting some big competition, some challenge, it is the period of success. But if it is not so, there may be some dispute, court case, or some disease, maybe disease may come out for them. So just caution them. If they are attempting some competition, some challenge, some suppose that they are due for promotion and one or two persons are only to be selected out of a big populace, then he or she may be selected. Okay, so this is the two sides of coin for your children. So far as your father is concerned, his his ninth lord is going into her second house. So due to some decree or court case or something like this, he may be benefit a lot financially. So if he is waiting for the some court decision, he should try to expedite the same so that he may get benefit in this month. Now I will talk about your mother. Your mother's second house lord is going into her seventh house. Seventh house is the partnership, business, or pleasure journey. So she may spend some good amount for some pleasant journey to some foreign place or nearby area, but it will be very pleasant and comfortable. One more thing, she may, if she is doing some business, she may expand it by investing some big amount and starting some new channel. Now, after the Aries, it is the turn of Taurus. Dear Taurus people, your fourth heart Lord is going into your ninth house. So, if you have some property unattended, not being taken care of, track that. Some legal case may start, some dispute may start. And one more thing, you may buy a property at some foreign place. This is also a big opportunity. If you are intending to buy some property in foreign place, this is the best time for you. Dear Taurus people, what about your spouse? Let us see what is in store for him or her. Just see, he or she may get some big promotion, but along with change of place. Yes, change of place. But he or she should not drop that, because the change of place is for a nearby place. It will not be for a place, and with passage of time, he or she will be able to come back. Yes, so just enjoy this phenomena, promotion along with place change. So far as your children are concerned, they are lord of investment losses is going into fifth house. So if they are gamble, if they make big stakes in share market, some jua, something risky propositions, they should avoid in this period. They should avoid in this period. This is the best advice I can give. Okay, and so far now we discuss about your father. I can see that for father the period is not good. Some accident, some big problem may crop up, he should avoid. And if some disease is restrained for a long time, it may come up with some big issue. So just avoid that. So far as your mother is concerned, mother's health may be at stake, or some doing something big. She may face some big problem in business or legal problem. This is the issue. You should take care of that and alert your mother beforehand. Thank you. Now, this is the turn of Gemini. Dear Geminians, your third lord is going into eighth house. in the 10th zodiac sign. What does it mean? You may invite some trouble due to your faulty communications. And it may be also possible that if you are putting up a signature on a document without verifying, it may create some trouble in the long run. So remain ensure that you don't put up any signature. And there is also possibility of cyber fraud with you. Do not click on any unverified link. Okay, Jaminia? And what about your spouse, husband or wife? Their ninth lord is coming into second house. Their father may give them some money or inheritance. And there is another possibility that some court cases which are due for decision may grant them some big money. So if some case is pending, uh, ask your spouse, husband or wife, to expedite and get the same decided in this period, in the mid of January to mid of February. Okay? And what about your children? Their 11th Lord, the Lord of gains, is going into their fourth house. So, what may happen that their friends may make it possible some big land deal or property deal for them. So, ask them if they are intending to buy some land, some property, some house, ask them to take help of their friends. It will be best thing. And otherwise also, it may be a possibility that the some property which were lying vacant may go on rent and starting a stream of income for them. And just see, Geminians, what is in store for your father. His 12th Lord, his seventh Lord is occupying now his 12th house. It means that there is a big risk of his partner freezing his money, and if he can find some trouble, possibility of trouble in the business with the partners, he should remain cautious about his partners in this period. They may deceive him, and believe me, the loss will be big enough. And what about your mother? Just see, mother's 12th lord is shifting to the her fifth house. So she may spend something on her hobby, some passion, or something like this. So just suggest some better opportunities, better option for her so that she may enjoy her life like anything. Now we will go to the see what is in store for our Cancerians. Cancerians, your second lord is going into your partnership house or your house of business. So it may be possible that you may expand your business with the help of your immediate family members, or your partner. If there is some business partner of dicey character, dubious character, he or she may deceive you like anything. So just remember, just remain a bit vigilant about your partner. What about your spouse? Your spouse may have to face some big accident, or a husband or wife may have to face some big accident, or another positive possibility is that her his or her distant relative may bequeath him some big property or big sum of money. There may be also a possibility that some big lottery may open up for him. So, if you are in the share market making big stakes, just get your horoscope scrutinized deeply so that you may reap this opportunity if the dasas or periods of planets are supporting you. So far as your children are concerned, just see their 10th Lord is in the third house. So what is in store? In all probability, they may get promotion along with change of place. Or you may say that due to their hard work or something like this, they may get recognition. Or if they are in internet field communications, this is a good opportunity, this is a good time to get some big leap in their career. So far as your father is concerned, his sixth lord, the lord of disputes, diseases, and court cases, is coming into the house of gains. So, what may happen that he may gain due to court cases? Some court case may be decided to giving him good decree, good amount in his favor, or this is the period when even his enemies may benefit him due to their faulty actions. So far as mother is concerned, her Lord of Gains is visiting her fourth house, so it is a strong possibility that her elder brother may gift him some big property, and there is also possibility that some big income may start after renting out or leasing out her property in her name. So now is the turn of Leos. Dear Leo people, your Lord is going into sixth house, the house of diseases, court cases, and disputes. So avoid all the litigations, confrontation, and problems in your surrounding. Because this is not a good period for Leo people the whole month. But believe me, if you are participating in some competition, some challenge, and if you are determined enough, then you may get success like anything. So what is the message? That if there is some positive purpose for entering into confrontation, competition, something like this, just participate with full vigor. Otherwise, avoid any confrontation for the whole month. What is in store for your spouse? His or her seventh lord is entering into 12th house. So what may happen? What may happen that if he or she has some partner, he may cause him or her some big loss. So just remain cautious, or but there is a good thing that he or she may go on a pleasure journey to a far off place, and it will be wonderful opportunity. So it is he or she may avail this opportunity. So far as your children are concerned, their ninth lord is coming into second house, so there is strong possibility of gaining some big gain from some foreign place or due to some court decision. It may be also possible that if he or she is a big religious person, some religious blessing may come which may help him a lot. And if they were expecting some children, this is the month for getting blessed with the child. So far as your father is concerned, his fifth house is going into his 10th house. So just due to his wisdom and intelligence, he will get success in his life, recognition in his life. Due to not it will be, even business expansion may also be possible due to his intelligence. Some angel investor, some other funding options may come up, and due to which he may be able to expand his business, not investing his own money. So far as your mother is concerned, 10th lord is coming into third house. So some state person, some royal person, some person from the government may favor him, favor her like anything, and it may also be possible that due to some hobby, passion, or some great determination, she may get big recognition. So it was for the Leo persons. Now it is the turn of the Virgo persons, the most practical persons on this earth. Their 12th lord is going into 5th house, so there will be a big journey or going to a far off place just due to some passion or hobby. You may decide to hike on the Everest or something like this. But remember, this period is not good for engaging in some gambling or big challenges. So, if you are engaged in the share market, making stakes, big stakes, just remain cautious for the whole period equal to 1 month, because you may suffer a big loss in this period. As so far as your spouse is concerned, her sixth lord, his or her sixth lord is coming into house of gains, so he or she may gain due to court cases, or this is the wonderful period where even enemies will cause benefit to him or her. So don't so just help him or her out and let them celebrate this wonderful period. So far as your children are concerned, their eighth lord, the house of accidents, big problems, is coming into their own house. So they should remain cautious, avoid some long journey, some accident may happen. If they are driving their own car, just alert them not to drive with big speed. One more thing, if they are engaged with some government authorities, they should avoid the displeasure of the government agencies. And if they are engaged in something which may be wrong in the eyes of government, some raid or some investigation may also happen in this period. So far as your father is concerned, his fourth lord, the house of properties, vehicles, comfort, is coming into ninth house. So if he is considering buying a property, some foreign place, so immediately he should activate and take initiative. He will get a very good deal. But but if his existing property has some possibility of legal problem, that may occur any time in this period. So just open your eyes, remain watchful, vigilant, and avoid any such happening. So far as your mother is concerned, it may be possible that she may get some blessing from the some great religious person, or it may also be possible that some court case may come into her favor. So, if some court case is pending, request her to expedite the same. Thank you. Now it is the turn of Librans, the most balanced ones. Librans, your Lord of Gains, Lord of Friends is coming into fourth house. So it is the chance of your reliable friends to repay your relationship. They will come to your help and some contribute something positive on the front of your house, property, vehicle. Suppose that you are intending to buy some big vehicle at very concessional rate or some property at very reasonable price. Just Check the list of your friends and make continuous calls. They will help you a lot. They will help you a lot. Some big deal at very reasonable prices may come up in your way. Thank you. And just see what is in store for your spouse. His or her fifth lord, the house of hobby, passion, education, higher education is coming into 10th lord, 10th house. So your spouse may get recognition due to her educational qualification or degree or knowledge or passion, something like this. It may happen like anything. More recognition, more passion. And if he or she was contemplating to start some new venture and he was short of money due to his or her own good planning, he will get the good funding and he will be able to start his business like anything. So far as your children are concerned, just remember, just remember that their seventh lord is coming into 12th house. So it may be a possibility that if they are married, their spouses may get transferred to some awkward place, or if they are in business or in partnership, their partners may deceive them like anything. So ask them, request them to remain vigilant in their business. And positive thing for your children, they may plan some long journey, pleasure journey, or tie up new deals in at far off places. Whatever is positive possible at foreign countries, at far off places, it may be materialized in this period. Regarding your father, his third lord, the house of communication, house of uh, exchange, is going into 10th zodiac sign, 8th house, and house of trouble. So if your father is going into some partnership, some contracts, going to sign some documents, this is the period to remain alert. And he may speak something foul in this period which may cost him dearly. But if he's researching something on the communication front, on the internet, something very miraculous may come to him, which may give him some big fame in the long run. So far as mother is concerned, her just see her eighth lord is coming into the lagna. So this is the period. Physically, this is period is not good at all. Some big accident, some big health issue may crop up if she is at the old age. Just alert her to remain vigilant in this period. Now it is the turn of the Vrishchika or Scorpio. Dear Scorpions, your 10th Lord, the house of fame, recognition is into coming into your third house, the house of change. So it may be a possibility that you may get fame, recognition, promotion along with change of place. Or due to your industriousness, it may be possible like anything. So just await and don't hesitate. If something is coming into your way, don't hesitate. Keep it you have, and in the long run, after some time, you may come back again to your place. One more thing, if you were contemplating to start your shops in nearby cities or start to give franchises of your business, this is the good period and you may succeed like anything. So in general, this period is good for you, okay? But uh, uh, take help of government agencies. They will help you and support you like your good friend. So far as your spouse is concerned, it may be a possible that if she is resourceful enough, she or he may buy a property at a far off place, preferably in some other country. And it may also be possible that if he or she is religious minded, he or she may buy some property at some religious place on some hill station, but not near the sea beach. So far as children are concerned, just see that it is the period of getting benefit even from your enemies, and especially if your children are attending some competition, some challenge, some big fight for admission into some prestigious university, this is the period of success for them. So just start celebrating this period for your children. Your if your let me discuss about your father. This is the period of more and more investment into his business. He will expand business by infusing more and more capital. Or it may also be possible some near and dear one may, especially the family member may or relative may come into partnership into his business, and it may start a new journey for his career. So far as your mother is concerned, this is the period for getting alert for her. And if she is into some business, she may suffer due to being cheated by her partner. And one more thing, that she may have to attain some such a problem of health that she may have to spend some time in the hospital. So this is the for Scorpio. Now I will discuss focused Sagittarians. Remember that this is for the ascendant, not for the zodiac sign, moon sign, or solar sign. Dear Sagittarians, your ninth lord is coming into your second house, so it is possibility that your father may contribute into your kitty like anything. Or if you are expecting some good news, there is a strong possibility that you may be blessed with children. And if some court case was pending, you had sued someone, court may decide some big amount in your favor. Remain assured, start celebrating. So far as Sagittarians, so far as your spouse is concerned, his or her third lord is coming into 8th house, the house of trouble. So due to her faulty communication, bad signatures, and putting up signature on some contract without checking the authenticity, she or he may come into trouble, and there is strong possibility that she or he may have to face some cyber fraud. So remain conscious in this period. Ask your spouse to remain conscious in this period. So far as your children are concerned, their fifth lord, the house, hobby, passion, intelligence, higher knowledge, is coming into 10th house. So they may be their knowledge, their accumulated knowledge may be recognized after the long run. So start celebrating for your children. One more thing, due to their intelligence, passion, they may start some own business, and it will be funded by angel investors, funders, and some big funding agency. So due to their intelligence only, they may start their venture. It is a time to celebrate. Now this is the turn of Capricorns. Dear Capricorns, in your ascendant, the sun is visiting. Sun is your 8th lord, so the period may be a bit of problematic, because 8th house is the house of bottlenecks. Whatever you are doing, some big hazard may come up. But On the positive side, some big lottery, some inheritance, or some surprise gains may come up in your field. But remain prepared for surprises. It may be positive or it may be negative, but there will be something surprising in your way. Regarding your spouses, this is the period of more and more expansion in their ventures. It may be business or anything else. You will see that they are infusing more capital into their business due to for expansion, but ask them to be to see the future and the bigger picture while making investment or taking loan for expansion of their business. Regarding your children, this is the period of getting recognition and fame due to higher knowledge, some wisdom, something like this, and they will be recognized. And if they are into writing or some creative field, nothing can be better than for them. So if they are in some creative field, RJ, VJ, jockeys, so this may be a good period, highly good period for them. Regarding your father, this is not a good period. His 12th lord is going into his 5th house, so some health complication on the near stomach may come up, or some kidney diseases may come up. So just caution him to remain alert about his health. But he may also tend to spend some big fortune on his hobby or passion. So let him enjoy if he does that. Regarding your mother, this is the period of getting recognition due to her past upbringing. Some achievement may come into light and the agencies may recognize her. So this was for the Capricornians. Now this is the turn of Aquarians. Dear Aquarians, your 7th lord, house of partnership, house of spouse, house of business is coming into the house of losses as well as foreign places. So if you are going to expand your business to some foreign countries, some far off places, this is nothing can be better than this. But if you are not doing this, remain vigilant, conscious about your partners, because they may fleece you, they may cheat you, or something like this may happen. Even government agencies may raid your premises in this period. So remain alert in this period on this front. One more thing, your heart, if you had tendency some heart problem, this problem may aggravate. So far as your spouses are concerned, this is not good period so far as health is concerned, or some court cases may crop up. So they should remain concerned and conscious about anything unfortunate in this period. Regarding your children, this is the period of some big trouble due to faulty communication in their professional area. Even your children should remain concerned about the possibility of cyber fraud with them. So do not ask them to do not click on any link, unverified link coming in their mail, on their mobile. It is something like this. So they should remain vigilant, conscious, keeping their eyes open. Regarding your father, this is the period of his a lot of gains going into the house of home, vehicle, comfort. So his friends may become instrumental into buying some good property, good vehicle, or something very positive in his life. So ask him if he is contemplating to buy some property, to check the list of his friends who may help him a lot in this period. Regarding your mother, I believe me, if she is reasonably capable enough, she may buy a property at some foreign place or some religious place. It is something like this. But if it is not so, existing properties may develop some legal complication. To ask her to remain, if first thing is not happening, the existing documents may be secured like anything. Now this is the turn of Pisceans. Dear Pisceans, your sixth lord, the house of trouble, is coming into house of gains. So this is the period of rejoice, because even your enemies will cause benefit to you. Due to their foolish actions, you will be benefited. Moreover, if you have any court case pending, it may be decided in your favor, giving you a lot of gains. So this is the period of celebration, and especially for the persons who are in legal field, their practice may flourish like anything. So far as your Pisceans, your spouse is concerned, they should remain cautious. Do not make any big stake in share market or gambling, something like this, because they may suffer like anything. Moreover, they may have to hospitalized due to food poison or some big anomaly in the digestion system. So just alert your spouse about the possibility of such a problematic incident. So regarding your children, this is the period where their money may go into their money may go down the drain. Yes, so they ask them to keep their amount safe, money safe, or not to invest where the money may evaporate like anything. Investing money on the basis of big promises is not a wise idea. But if they are doing business and want to expand, this may be a good period for them to expand their business. Even family members may come to in their support, and it will be a good opportunity to expand their business like anything. Regarding your father, this period is promotion, recognition, along with change of place. So if he was waiting for a promotion and DPC promotion decisions were pending, it may come shortly, but along with change of place. But ask him to take the opportunity, grab the opportunity, do not lose this opportunity just due to fear of changing the place. In the long run, he will come back to his place, and even though the change of place will not be very far off place, it will be some nearby place. Okay, so this is the period for your father. And regarding your mother, as I can see that she may face some trouble, due to putting up some signature on the documents without verifying their authenticity. One more thing, due to some hobby or passion or some friends with ill will, she may face some trouble. Moreover, it may be also possible that some breathing issues or some lungs problem may crop up in her body. So before this period starts, get her health checked in the proper manner with some good physician. So this was the analysis for all the 12 ascendants. I want to stress that all this analysis was done for the ascendant which lasts only 2 hours, not a solar sign which lasts for 30 days, and not for this lunar sign which lasts for 2¼ days. So it is more precise and more specific, more reliable, but ideally, because every person is unique and his or her destiny is also unique. So get your, if you are interested, get your horoscope analyzed for specific and precise predictions about you with some reliable, trained and educated astrologer who has some degree, studied astrology with seriously. And and if you don't have approach to some in astrology like this, we are always with you at the Astrodevam, the most reliable and effective astrologers on this planet. Goodbye. I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from astrodevam.com.